Hello everybody and welcome to Trade with Raymond. It is said that without knowing your history, you cannot manifest your future. In trading, history is so important. Many drag the chart backwards to look at history and how they can use that to manifest their future. However, in Ichimoku, there's an amazing secret tool there. It is called the Chiku span. Some people in the West call it the lagging line. Others call it the style. It's actually the tool that is going to tell you your history and tell you whether a part of your history inhibits your future or whether a part of your history actually helps you to manifest your future. Let's go into the chart and let's see how we can use this amazing tool within the Ichimoku trading system to manifest profitable trades going forward. Let's see. So I was talking about the Chiku span, and this is how we get it. So currently we have muted all the other lines on the chart, and we're going to bring back the Chiku span. So Chiku span, we're going to make it green, and then let me make the green a bit deeper. All right, so let me increase the thickness of the line. All right, so we got it here. So this is how to use it. Now this is the most important part of the trading system, is this Chiku span line, as they call it, style, because of the way it curves and turns and so on. It is indeed the most important. It shows up on any pair, any time frame. It's going to show up, okay? It's going to show up to give you some information. So this line is actually current price pushed back 26 periods. So if you put your mouse on the current candle and then you drag it back, the tip of the line is 26 periods away. So it measures 26 periods away. So if you're on the daily time frame, it's measured 26 periods away, or 26 days away. So in essence, whatever time frame you're on, the current candle is pushed back 26 periods. Now I've been thinking, so many years ago somebody was thinking about this, and it actually became, or has become now, the most important part of the cloud system. And some people chart Ichimoku without putting it on. If you don't have this on, you're in trouble, because history is where you learn from. And as I said earlier, historical information helps you to manifest your future profits. So what it does is this tool must be free. In essence, no candlestick or no price action should block it. Traditional trading will usually draw or support and resistance lines, and they'll say, okay, this is my resistance lines. If price breaks above resistance, then it means that we need to buy some more, and this is my support line at the bottom. If price breaks below here, we need to sell some more. However, because the Ichimoku cloud itself serves as support and resistance, we don't necessarily have to draw lines. In addition, the lagging span looks at historical support and resistance on its own and helps us to make good decisions. So for example, once you have the lagging line outside price, in essence, there's no price on top of it, there's no blockage. It means that we are in an upward trending phase of the market. It started all the way from this area. So those who trade support and resistance may have put a line here expecting a breakout for them to get into the trade. However, Ichimoku was out of the cloud at this point. So at this point, when our future is clear and our past says that there is no pending resistance, we enter the trade over here somewhere. So it means that the lagging span actually gives us the opportunity to enter the trade earlier. And it's amazing. I mean, it's better than any form of lines you can draw on the chart. So that's how it works. And let's look at other pairs and see how they're behaving. For example, over here, lagging span is free. So we are still in an upward move. I'm looking for an area where it's in an upward move and it's beginning to drop down a bit. The overall market is still bullish. At some point, this is going to change to bullish. It is giving you information. Over here, it is bullish. So there are times where, for instance, the lagging line was somewhere here. In the past, it was here. Let's assume that market hadn't moved and it was here. The information you had here meant that the lagging line is being blocked by this small candle. Some people call it doji. It's indeed the doji. And some also will say a spinning top because of the way it looks like. But it's a doji originally. So over here, you have this situation. Price was blocked here, assuming that the market hadn't moved forward. It was blocked. Now, no matter what you're seeing in the market, it says that I am blocked. I can't go up. So the historical information is that there's a huge resistance at that point and blocking the lagging span from going up. So as an Ichimoku trader, you do not buy at this point, even though your future cloud is good. It is telling us that the past has a major influence on the future now, and therefore we cannot manifest profit. So we need to hold on. Then indeed it fell below it. It struggled under the big red candle. Finally, it went out. As soon as it got out, you will see the market in a hurry to go up. And that's what we saw here. Boom, straight move up. The lagging line is so powerful and so accurate that if you do a trade with Ichimoku and you don't understand the lagging line, you will most of the time make losses. This is another example. Lagging line is trapped between the cloud. So over here, it meant that you can't make any trading decision, even if our future cloud turns bearish. Once lagging line is trapped in here, it means it's trapped between support and resistance. It has no clear direction, so we don't make any decisions. Look at US30. All right, so over here, we have our future cloud is bullish. Let's assume that our future cloud is bearish, all right, for the purposes of education and learning. Let's assume it's bearish. Where is lagging line? Lagging line is over here. There's a price point blocking the lagging line from going down. It means that even if it's bearish, we can't sell because the lagging line is trapped. It's not free. This is the thing. If you're going up the market or you're buying or the market is trending upwards, there must be no price point or candlestick blocking the lagging line from going up. Similarly, the cloud itself must not block the lagging line. If the cloud is blocking the lagging line, it means that there is a potential resistance at a point. Similarly, the opposite is true. There's a potential support preventing the lagging line from going down, so we don't have to sell. The lagging line must always be free. In essence, wherever you find the line, there must be nothing blocking it. The lagging line must be free to move around. So for example, over here, the lagging line burst out the first time. At this point, let me draw over here, and then market also burst out here. A smooth move up. I mean, such movement can bring about a lot of pips. I mean, all over here about some 3,000 pips there, because the lagging line is so good and so accurate. So as an Ichimoku trader, the first thing you look at is the cloud, and then you look at where is the position of the lagging line. Is it being inhibited from going up or stopped from falling? If you see that the lagging line is being inhibited, no matter how beautiful the future cloud is telling or giving the information from the future cloud, or how beautiful the candlestick pattern is, no matter the candlestick pattern, lagging line has a very, very powerful information to give you. It is telling you, do not trade. However, if the lagging line is free like a bird to fly, it means that when the market shows up bullish or bearish, and the future cloud is good and lagging line is in a perfect position of freedom, it means that, guys, you can make a trade. So this is how we use the lagging line, the past, to tell us the future, so that we can manifest profitable trades going forward. I'm happy you're on this Ichimoku Master Series. You're watching, you're learning. Like our videos, subscribe, get your notifications, click share to friends, and let them learn how to, trade using simple tools to trade. And the beauty about Ichimoku is that you can literally have your life, do your work, and trade a higher time frame and be profitable without monitoring on chart every second or every few minutes. So I'm very happy to be sharing this knowledge with you. And get serious, go through all the lessons, finish up, send us an email, and we shall give you a certificate for learning with us. Thank you very much, and see you on the next lesson.